We're in Northborough, Massachusetts, and we drove for 2 days across Indiana, Ohio, Pennsylvania, New York. New York was very beautiful. Upstate New York, not in the city, but in the nature like this. We drove across New York, and now we're in Massachusetts. Such a beautiful state. Lots of trees. This is Northborough, Massachusetts. There's two kinds of trees out here. There's the deciduous trees. And the deciduous trees, the leaves turn yellow and orange and red. And then there's evergreens, which are tall and skinny, and their leaves don't turn red or orange like these ones here, these tall, skinny ones here. Stay green all the time, evergreens. Or they're also known as pine trees. But the deciduous trees, the leaves turn yellow and red and orange in the fall time. And then the leaves fall off in the winter. Those are the deciduous trees.